I knew I should have got that Part 107 license. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Big Ball Vlogs. I do reviews, news, everyday vlogging, and every once in a while I'll do a tutorial. If this video is educational or entertaining, please consider smashing that like button and maybe subscribing to the channel for new videos when I post them. So yeah, man, I had a video to post today. I actually, long story short, ordered some stuff, was supposed to show up on the weekend, didn't. I maybe because of the hurricane, didn't show up. Checked the tracking again and pushed back another day. So I threw together a quick little video that I was going to post, and before I posted it, I just happened to jump on my news feed to see what's going on in the tech world, and I saw that Amazon just got approval. I mean, this is breaking news within the last 4 hours that it says Amazon just got approval to do package deliveries via drone. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of Part 107, happy Part 107 owners out there getting jobs that probably make about 6 figures. And I probably missed the boat on that. I need to get on that as soon as possible. But anyway, yeah. So back in 2013, I know you guys have heard about this for the longest time and probably never thought it would come around in your lifetime. Amazon started testing, I mean, a lot of companies, but Amazon in particular started testing a new drone. I believe it's called the Remars. That they were going to be able to do home deliveries with this drone, and the drone was able to carry a payload of up to 5 pounds. It had a 15-mile range or 30-minute range, and take it fast forward to 2019, they actually petitioned the FAA to be able to do these deliveries because current regulations say that you cannot fly a drone outside of visual line of sight. So under the Part 135 FAA regulations, Amazon has received approval to do home deliveries. And I mean, I'm shocked. And as much Amazon as I get, you're probably going to see the first Amazon home delivery drone bringing a package to me. But I mean, let's just talk about it. I mean, I never thought that this was come about. I thought it was, something that, everybody's talking about drone deliveries, and you've seen like, pizza companies doing, small little pizzas probably like right outside the neighborhood, and they flew it in and deliver it. But I never thought that this would go commercial anytime soon. But I mean, shockingly, with all of the FAA regulations, it has been approved. So, I mean, what does that mean for Amazon right now? I mean, they're marketing this as a delivery service where you can get your Amazon stuff within 30 minutes. Amazon currently has, if you have a local warehouse situation going on in your area, they have same-day delivery, but now you're able to get drone deliveries. And I wonder if that's going to be like part of the Prime subscription. Like, now you are able to get drone deliveries on top of, your normal Amazon Prime 2-day, 3-day, next day delivery service. I mean, I just can't wait to see how this turns out. And I want to see what's going on. But I mean, this is exciting news. This is exciting news. It seems like there may have been a little bit of a shift in the drone community, at least in the commercial world. And I'm wondering how this will impact the, the consumer what do you call it? What am I looking for here? What's the word I'm looking for? The consumer drone community. Like, are we going to now be restricted because now Amazon kind of owns the airspace that normally airlines don't fly in? So airlines fly here, now Amazon flies here, and you can't be in that airspace? I mean, as an Amazon shopper, holic type person, I like the idea. I will be out waiting for my package to be delivered with a camera. The first time, I mean, I would order something the day that they said that they can do it just to see this thing come and fly and deliver my package. But what does that mean for people who currently fly consumer drones? Are we shut down? I mean, we have this whole proposal for remote ID, which we're kind of still in limbo on, and now Amazon's got approval to take up that airspace between the airplanes and the ground. I don't know, man. I don't know. But I mean, it's very interesting, and I'm curious what you guys think about this. I mean, it's going to be a pretty short video. It's only like 4 or 5 minutes. Check your local news stations to see, or your local news feeds to see more information about this. I don't want to get all into the details and the technicalities around it. Just want to start the conversation and let you guys know you might be getting an Amazon package delivered by drone. So that's all I got. I'll talk to you later.